People are hired for skill and fired for behavior. The leaders that come to us are frustrated because they're not getting the results they want. Mediocre performance is costing them and the business. And deep down, they know they're absolutely capable of something greater. So we rebuild the behavior side of the equation. Together, we focus on behavior, transforming your frustration into healthy high performance.
Thousands of high-performing leaders the world over trust Wingspan Performance. Created by Cathy, Maday, and Ivan Konermann, the Wingspan Performance System is the only interpersonal performance system of its kind. It shows you exactly how to get stronger results with others through game-changing personal leadership. This powerful system is now available online with the Wingspan Performance Academy. Learn the same process and tools used daily by thousands of leaders at your own pace, available when you need it.
You are far more powerful than you realize, and it's all about getting yourself back into your personal performance zone.
Communicate clearly, practice healthy accountability, and drive your team to deliver.
This is actually a sign of incredible progress.
You know it's in you. Join the Wingspan Performance Academy and create ultimate team performance.